Whose? Mine? It could be. Well, for the listeners at home, if you're listening and you hear this popping and crackling, there's a gremlin here. We can't find out what's doing it. Just pretend you're listening to a Keith Strauss production. So. Some kind of noise going on. Andrew Kristopolski, welcome to the Ukrainian Center. You weren't here last night, or were you?
I don't remember.
You don't remember? All right. Wonderful.
I'm not sure.
Kevin Zuba's in the house. You're puffing it out. You're driving home tonight? Good for you. Do we have a song? Did we pick a song?
Just your bill? Just your bill?
Yeah, we can do that. Well, yeah, we can try to do that.
The other side of 45.
Yeah. He said that's the other side of 45.
What's a 45?
Yeah, what's a 45?
For the younger kids in the
Jackie was giving quizzes last night to the young kids in the audience. He brought a box of cassettes and was holding up. Anybody know what this is? They were looking at him like he had 3 heads. Should have brought an 8-track. That would have been really a riot.
Yeah.
Oh, for the folks in the house here, last call for the first 50-50 drawing of the night. So you get one more chance, get your tickets. They'll be doing a 50-50 here.
Yeah, we got money out of Elliot.
It's more fun making you do it. I'm old now. I don't take solos.
I am old.
No, but you're still young, so you get to do all. You get to do all the work I did for all those years when you were floating. Now it's your turn.
No idea. For the Bible. 1, 2, 3.
All right, Larry Trojak back on the vocal out of the Dynatones book. This is one called Just to Bill, Where Were You? A tune that he wrote back in, 1968.
We'll call it that.
All right. Here we go.
Especially for the Bibes, making his biannual appearance here at the club. Good to see you, Bibes. Yes, them wrecked. Here we go.
Przyjechałem paśniosem ranem, siło chłodze, mamie nie chłodze. Mama wstaje, mówi spać ci nie dam, gdzie wracam się, głowy tak przykrywam. Mama wstaje, mówi spać ci nie dam, gdzie wracam się, głowy tak przykrywam. Gdzieś ty był, Jacinku do rana, gdzieś ty był, pyta się go mama. Dziś liścił, dziś podziałe pił, ja nie pija, tak mam sił. Dziś liścił, dziś podziałe pił, ja nie pija, tak mam sił. Będzie twoja